Hello, this is Hexy the Grouch, and today we are going to take a look at the Tecsee Cardinals. Like last time, we are going to use the Bakeneko 60 as our baseline configuration. The only foam used is Stupidfish foam located between the plate and the PCB. If you want full details of this configuration and my audio setup, that will be in the description below. I will try to perform roughly the same test pattern for the 5 different keycap sets. Like the last time, each run will focus on the letters. The Spacebar has a Gazzew linear Thok installed. The Tecsee Cardinal is a long pole linear switch, and unfortunately, I can't find a lot of details beyond what I have written down. One very important note is the bottom housing plastic is very soft, and if you open these switches, be gentle when doing so. I broke a couple using my Gateron opener, and it's the first time I've experienced such an issue. This warning applies to the Blue Jay switches as well. If someone can help fill in some of the specifics about this switch, I'll post an update in the comments below. Conclusion. The switch sound is average. The sound is helped by the softer housing plastic in that it seems to deepen the tone of the bottom out sound. I'm also lukewarm on the springs. They are fine, but I may try swapping in some 2-stage long springs and see what happens. I do dislike that the plastic is so soft that I managed to accidentally break a few switches. MechWild was willing to work with me to get replacement switches when this happened, so kudos go out to them for good customer service. Just don't use excessive force with the Cardinals or Blue Jays and you will be fine. If you put the switch up to your ear, you can hear some scratch, but this is not realistic. Installed in the board with only the Stupidfish plate PCB foam layer, I could not detect any issues. In terms of specifications, I wish there was more to give. I did reach out to MechWild to confirm that there wasn't any more information beyond what was on the store page. If this changes, I'll update the description. Installation and removal of keycaps seems good, no excessive grip or loose tolerances when trying to install or remove keycaps, and to be very clear, my thoughts and opinions are my own. Thanks for watching and keep on experimenting!